Absolutely. I will give you all the help you need and I will make this place beautiful for you.
I'll be trying some new techniques that I haven't tried before.
Am I wearing the same sweater 3 days in a row? Welcome to another day of VLOGMAS. I am very excited, but also today I'm just going to tell you guys it's going to be a very quick video because it's a busy day. I have actually been working on a very big project that I'm about to start in a couple of days. And one of my really good friends, she asked me to help her remodel her bathroom, her whole bathroom, before her family comes into town for the holidays. And I was like, absolutely, I will give you all the help you need and I will make this place beautiful for you. So I gotta run to Home Depot, get some of the supplies, come back and edit the video for today, and also meet with her later tonight so we can start on some of the things. And mind you, like, you guys are gonna see the befores and after of the entire space. So you're gonna see the entire remodel process, which I'm very excited to share with you all. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything, and help me get to 1,000 subscribers. It really means a lot. It means a lot. It's my birthday month, and also Christmas time. So this is the best gift you can give me. It's just subscribe. All right, thank you guys, and let's get going. We are going to the Home Depot because I have to get some supplies. Oh, gotta get a card. Just left the Home Depot. I am about to head home. It is about to be rush hour here in Atlanta, and I am trying to avoid that at all costs. We are redoing this whole space in the next couple of days, and I am so excited because I'll be trying some new techniques that I haven't tried before, and hopefully those will turn out the way they look in my head. I mean, it'll be good, but like, I hope that it's better than it looks in my head, you know? Fingers crossed, this will help me blow up on here and get me to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So, let's get it going. I love you guys. Okay, I'll see you in a second. Bye. This project, it's really gonna push me to do things that I've never done before, and I am looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to trying these new techniques. So I'm gonna share some of the inspo photos that we have. She sent them to me. This is what we're going for. This is the vibe we're going for. So I'm gonna share it with you guys. And I'll chronicle the entire process within the next couple of days, and hopefully we can be done either sometime mid next week or later next weekend, just because we have to. So like, the way that we're doing this, we're working in the afternoons because we both have full-time jobs. We only have a certain amount of hours during the day that we can do this. So yeah, you guys will be part of it, and you will see the before and after, and I'm very excited about this. So stick around. Oh, by the way, you guys may be asking yourself, am I wearing the same sweater 3 days in a row? I sure am. I actually really like this sweater. It's super comfortable. When you have such busy days, I really don't have the time to be thinking about outfits, especially because I'm literally just sitting in front of a camera all day. Thank you all so much for watching today's short Vlogmas video. Don't forget to subscribe. I know, they are right there. I know, it's like a permanent fixture at this point. They will get wrapped. I promise you guys. They're like the ghost of Christmas past, present, and future. Don't forget, the journey is what brings us happiness, not the destination. I love you all, and I'll see you tomorrow night. Bye, guys.